Okay, today we're going to learn how to change the cabin air filter on a 2012 Honda CR-V. So we're going to go over to the passenger side of the car, open the door, and then we're going to come right down to the glove box. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to open up the glove box and remove the air filter. You can see I'm going to be using the STP CAF1781, and that's the one that fits the 2012 Honda CR-V. I'll put a link to it in the notes. So here we go. We open the glove box. We're going to empty out all the stuff. Just much easier to take all the stuff out and put it on the ground. And then over here you push in on this side, pull down a little bit, push in this side, and the glove box comes down. Now, right, what I'm going to show you here is, you can see right here it says airflow. This, when you remove the filter, remember that you want the arrow facing that way, and also on the filter there's an arrow. So let me pull this tab here, pull this tab, bring it out. So I'm going to pull out the filter. This stuff's pretty nasty, and as you can see on the side of the old filter there's an arrow pointing down. So what I'm going to do now is grab the new filter, and on this filter right here you can see that there is an arrow facing down right here where it says flow. So I'm going to turn it 90 degrees, take this, I guess I have to work it in. Oh, and I put it in wrong. So all right, so turn it 90 degrees. I just want to make sure that the arrow is still facing down, and take this and slip it in. We're going to take this cover back, put it back, and that is it, everyone. How to change a filter. Now all we have to do is lift up that, lift up the door, it pops in automatically. Put the stuff in, let me put my glasses back in, and that is it. It took about 3 minutes to change it, and you probably saved yourself about $50 at a car place.